12 fluid ounces. Genuine OEM Honda part. Replaces 08208-HST01. This part fits the following models: OEM Honda Transmission Fluid part number 08208-HST02. Top reviews from the United States. Exact fluid for Honda hydrostatic drive. Exact fluid for my 17-year-old Honda HRX 217 mower. Did not intend to flush the fluid but was replacing other broken parts that required removing the transmission, so I might as well flush the transmission while I had it out. I sought for fluids and this one was shipped the fastest and was within a reasonable price. If flushing, make sure to purge all of the old fluids properly by cycling the pump side and engaging the drive. I used a cordless drill to cycle the pump, disconnect the spring so it's easier to engage the drive while cycling the pump. The fluids will come out of the cap with rubber seal. Don't need to remove the drain plug. To fill, add fluid until full back into the same hole, then cycle the pump again, fill until transmission can't accept any more fluid. Your hydrostatic transmission will be like new. Make sure to put back the parts in order they are assembled properly, especially the pinion drive that drives the rear wheels.